Hey guys, in this video we are going to see that if you want to log out all the other devices that is logged into your Gmail account, for example your mobile, your PC and all the other devices, and you want to log them out or delete all the other devices from your Google account, how we can do that. So first of all, we will see the method of how you can do it on PC, and for the other tips on mobile, you can check out the playlist link in the description where you can get the mobile method as well. So what we can do is just log in to your Gmail account, and after that you just click on this profile icon right at the corner and click on manage your Google account. Now from here, just click on the security option right here, and if we scroll down a little bit, you will find your devices option. So click on manage all devices from here. Now currently I'm logged into Windows, but if you want to log out of other devices, for example this mobile phone or any other devices that you logged into, just click here and you can simply click sign out here and click on sign out. So click OK, and that's how you basically delete this. And that's pretty much it. This is the only option that Google provides, that you can sign out of the devices, but after some time when it remains sign out, it will automatically delete from Google Records. So I hope you found this video helpful. So once it remains sign out for a long time, it might be removed from the devices as well. So this is the solution. So that's it. This is how you can remove the Google account from the other devices. Now, if you want to log out of the current device as well, what you can do is just click on this button right here and click on sign out of all accounts, including this one. So click on sign out from all accounts and you can continue here. And after that, you can just click on remove account and you can remove this account from this laptop or this PC as well. Click on yes, remove, and that's how you do it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more about other tips and techniques, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.